Excel is more than a spreadsheet, it's the backbone of business operations worldwide. But when performance drops or errors start appearing, it's time for expert help. That's where Winning Solutions Inc. comes in. We provide complete Excel programming services tailored to your business. Our team builds custom Excel applications that automate and streamline your workflows. Need business reports or forecasting tools? We've got you covered. We specialize in VBA macro development that eliminates repetitive tasks. Plus, we fine-tune performance and debug issues that slow you down. With 100-plus corporate clients, we've delivered Excel solutions across industries: finance, HR, manufacturing, healthcare, and more. Whether you manage data, logistics, or forecasting, we can build a tool that fits your unique workflow. Our goal: make Excel faster, smarter, and perfectly aligned with your business goals. Since 1996, WSI has helped businesses transform Excel into a true automation platform. Ready to get started? Contact WSI for a custom quote today. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.